back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to do the Stairway to Heaven guitar solo on acoustic guitar. We're going to figure it out. There's a lot of bends in there, so we're going to change most of them to slides, and it's going to be in the A pentatonic scale with a couple minor notes in there. No big deal. It's A pentatonic sweet spot. And we're going to slide. You can do a vibrato by pulling down on this G string, or you can push up on it. Usually that's a bend, but it doesn't sound great on acoustic. You can't quite get to the note that you need to. So now you're going to go down the pentatonic scale. And then when you get to here, you're going to start back over on the G string. Instead of going to here, you're going to end right there. And you can pick them all, or you can pull them off. But I think it sounds best if you kind of do a blend of both. And now this next part, you're going to slide on the B string to there, and you're going to hit this note twice on the E string. And now, usually it would bend. We might as well just slide it. Or you can hammer it on. Or bend it. It's up to you. I'm probably going to do a hammer on. And then you go back to here, and then to here. I'm going to match that note on the B string with a slide. And then you're going to go to here, do a pull off, another pull off, this note, and then back to, whole section sounds like this. Now we got this crazy run, and it's a lot of pentatonic that you already did before. So it starts off with the bend, but you're not going to hang out on that note, so you can kind of just fake bend it right here, and then go down the scale, and then the usual pull off right here, another one. But instead of ending right here, like you did on the very beginning, you're going to go to here, and then back to here, and then back to here, and then go. So this whole section with the bend in the beginning sounds like this. Then you're going to do a double pull off right here, and then end right here. All right, that's probably enough notes for today, so we will continue the solo next week. Yes, good luck, good luck.